All right, it's recording.
Doing what?
Huh?
Doing what?
So what are we going to do today?
Take this wheel off.
And what are we going to do with that wheel?
Turn it around
And why are we going to turn it around?
so it drives better.
Very good. So what do we need to go get? Need to go get some tools?
And a winch.
And a winch.
The winch.
A wrench. All right, let's go find some wrenches.
Hello.
Okay. So what are we going to do?
We're going to take this wheel off.
Take that wheel off?
Yeah, and do the other wheel.
All right, let's turn it upside down. All right, she's upside down. All right, so now we got to take the wheel off. So,
I'll hold it still.
well, which one looks like it'll fit? You know? You get that one? Oh, that's too big.
This one.
This one right here?
Okay.
Oh, that one's too small. Let's try another one.
This one.
That one? Uh-oh, we're getting close. That one's still a little too big. We try that one? Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect size. All right, here. Here, you want to take that one off? Do you remember what way to turn it?
This way.
Huh? Yeah, you were right. Turn it that way. Did you just loosen it up? There you go. Good job. All right, that's enough. You don't have to take it all the way off, and I'll show you why. Oh, hold on. We got to take this one off. Here, come over here and take this one off.
I can't put it on.
We'll use the other end. Turn it over. There you go. See, if you put it this way, look how close your hands are. And it's hard to turn. Oh, wait a minute. If you turn it this way, it brings your hands out, okay? All right, so that is putting, when you push down there, it's putting it on. But if you bring it over here, and push down, push, push, huh? Now try it. There you go. Whoa, that one got away from you. All right, so now look, see if that wheel will come off. Lift it up. Oh, look at that craziness.
How about my name, head wheel?
Huh? Your head's what?
How about my name, head wheel?
Head wheel, huh? All right, well now we just have to turn it around. We have to take it and we have to turn it. Do you remember how it was on there when you took it off?
This way.
You know what else we need to do?
What?
I think that tire's pretty flat.
Yeah, pretty flat.
All right, let's go ahead and when we put this on,
Turn it.
uh-oh.
Turn it.
Uh-oh, dropped another piece. See here, the reason we could take it off, see these little slots right here?
Mm-hmm.
That's where this piece goes. It goes in this little slot right here. Okay, here, you need this. And when you put this on, see that little L right there? See that little L right there? It goes in that hole, okay? And that keeps the wheel from falling off when you tighten it down,
Oh,
okay?
okay.
So here, I'm gonna let you put it on. Can you put it on? Oh, is it on there? Are both sides on there? Double check this side. There you go. Now that L goes in that little hole right there. Uh-oh. Runaway bolt, or nut. Runaway nut.
Which way?
Do you remember your right and your left?
This is right, this is left.
Okay, can you turn the top to the right?
This one to right.
Yep, turn the top to the right. Very good. Okay, you ready? Hear how they say it? Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Oh, so this is loose, this is right.
Some of that. Nice job. All right, so you got to do this one too.
That's good.
You got to get this one turned on.
This way.
Well, did you put the L in the hole? Do you remember where the little piece that needs the L in the hole?
It's in there.
It's in there already? All right, grab your wrench.
I don't know the wrench.
Well, you're going to need a wrench to tighten it down.
See, it's good.
Well, here, is it good? Oh no, we need to tighten her down. Get your wrench. It has to be tighter or it'll fall off. And what happens if it falls off? Turn around.
Bam.
Yeah, here, turn it. Remember when you fell down at Mommy's school?
Mhm.
What did that do?
Hit my elbow.
You hit your elbow. What happened then?
And I hit myself pretty bad. And
Yeah.
I was bleeding.
You were bleeding.
I was trying to turn it. Trying to turn it now.
Well, it turns. It turns, but you have to make sure this is tight.
Trying to tighten it.
Here, push down really hard. Push down really hard. There you go. Did you turn it? There you go. Good job. Oh my. Here, let me see if Bob can turn it now. Oh, boy, that is tight. All right, do the same thing with that one.
This way.
Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. So which way does the top gotta go? Oh, is that the top going to the right or the left?
Right.
Try again. Which one's your right and which one's your left?
Right.
All right, so which way's the top gotta go?
Whitey.
So which way does the top?
Righty,
So here's the
tighty.
top. Here's the top. Which way? Is that going to the right? Is the top going to the right or is it going to the left?
Left.
So is it righty, lefty, loosey?
No.
There you go.
It's whitey tighty.
Very righty, tighty.
Try to turn it out.
Oh, I can still turn it. It's not tight enough. Here, let's put it right here. Let's put it right there. Now make it tight. Oh, look at that. Look how much you're turning it.
That's not you know.
You're going to stand on it. Oh, my goodness.
Nice.
Is that tight? Let me see. Ah. I think you got it pretty darn tight. You got it pretty darn tight. You know what, though?
What?
We can't take it for a test drive because it's raining. Oh, easy. Wiggle it. See, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Huh. Wonder what happened to your tire that it's flat. Oh, the back one's flat, too. Have you been riding it so hard that you got all the tires flat? Huh. I see an air hose right here. Air hose. I gotta go turn the compressor on, and it's gonna make a lot of noise, and then we can pump up the tire. Okay?
Watch this. Whitey tighty.
Lefty, lefty, loosey.
Video picture.
Did you just video picture us? Oh, here. Oh, got all crazy there for a minute. Here, all right, ready?